Hi, it's day 2 of week 3 of New World's November. Today I read A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. This is from the Arts for Rocket collection of stories. And this story, it's definitely tied with The Defenders by Philip K. Dick for being the best short story I've read thus far in New World's November. And A Sound of Thunder is implausible because they use a time machine for hunting dinosaurs. It seems a very illogical, sort of backward kind of thing to do. Although you do wonder, if very, very, very rich people could only afford to use a time machine, they probably would use it for hunting or maybe something more sinister. But the time machine is used to hunt dinosaurs, although it's a very controlled kind of hunt. At the time, the organization will specifically go out and map exactly that time, that route, and how that dinosaur died. They'll sort of cover it up and make it seem like a natural death, and they will go and take the bullet so that no metal exists. And our main character, Eccles, I don't know his first name, but Eccles is going on a hunt for Tyrannosaurus Rex, the big main dinosaur, and nerves get the better of him, and he steps out of the prescribed path, and he panics when he sees the big massive T-Rex. And there's it doesn't go well, but the employees kill the T-Rex, and the main guy, the main hunter guy, Travis, reprimands Eccles and says he's going to put a bullet in him, essentially, if he really, really messes up time. And you think it's okay until the end. Eccles felt himself fall into a chair. He fumbled crazily at the thick slime on his boots. He held up a clod of dirt, trembling. No, it can't be. Not a little thing like that. No. Embedded in the mud, glistening green and gold and black, was a butterfly, very beautiful and very dead. Not a little thing like that. Not a butterfly, cried Eccles. It fell to the floor, an exquisite thing, a small thing that could upset balances and knock down a line of small dominoes, and then big dominoes, and then gigantic dominoes. All down the years, across time, Eccles' mind whirled. It couldn't change things. Killing one butterfly couldn't be that important, could it? His face was cold, his mouth trembled, asking, Who won the presidential election yesterday? The man behind the desk laughed. You're joking? You know very well. Sure, of course. Who else? Not that fool weakling Keith. We got an Iron Man now, a man with guts. The official stopped. What's wrong? Eccles moaned. He dropped to his knees. He scrabbled at the golden butterfly with shaking fingers. Can't we? He pleaded. To the world, to himself, to the officials, to the machine. Can we take it back? Can we make it alive again? Can we start over? Can we? He did not move. Eyes shut, he waited shivering. He heard Travis breathe loud in the room. He heard Travis shift his rifle, click the safety catch, and raise the weapon. There was a sound of thunder. And it's just brilliant. The whole thing is brilliant. I love how it's written. It's a perfect short story. I love the characters. Maybe it's better than The Defenders by Philip K. Dick, possibly. It really is a tie, I would say. But A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. I really loved it. It was great. Thanks for watching. Bye.